Hello, this is Lewis. We're gonna do the second Gantt chart video for the SAC 201 weekly report. In this week we done a lot of the Gantt chart annotations. We finished that up and we've done the code. We started the code, which I need to change the progress on these into this one's 100% done, even though it says 0. I need to change that. And this one says 0, even though it's like 10. Yeah, so getting through it all will be done soon enough. We're officially done with the design part, and now we're moving on to the coding. I'll see you next week.